Animator Events is a system designed to generate events in any state of an Animator Controller and execute DrakkarEvents. We have our character with an Animator Controller that includes a state named Running. We want to trigger a particle effect every time the character's feet touch the ground. Locate the running state in the animator and add the DrakkarEnimator event behavior. You'll need a DrakkarEvent schema, so let's create one. Click Edit to configure the events. Add two events, step left and step right, assigning them different colors to make them more distinguishable. Later, we'll see that events can also have parameters, but we won't need them for this example. Add two particle effects to your character, positioning them at the feet. Add the DrakkarEnimator Event Manager component to the character and assign the previously created DrakkarEvent schema. Remember, DrakkarEnimator Event Manager must be on the same game object as the animator. Assign one Drakkar event to each event and use the Drakkar Action Particle System action, which is provided in the examples. Configure its fields with the correct particle system and set it to emit, for example, 30 particles. For step right, simply copy the previous Drakkar event using the green C button and paste it with the red P button. Then, replace the particle system with the one assigned to the right foot. Add another event to play a sound effect for each step. Use the Drakkar Action Play audio, configure it with the appropriate audio source and the sound effect clip. Duplicate it for the right foot. Go back to the running state and add two events. From the drop-down menu, select Step Left and Step Right. Press Show to scrub through the animation and find the moment when the character's left foot touches the ground. Press Stop when satisfied. Repeat the process for the right foot event. You can also manually edit the event frames if needed. As a final touch, enable Debug on the DrakkarEnimator event. This will provide feedback in Unity's console for the events. Finally, switch to Play mode and verify that everything works as expected. For more details, refer to the DrakkarEvents documentation.